Chechen State University, a prestigious institution dedicated to academic excellence and student success. Located in the heart of Grozny, the university boasts a modern and well-equipped campus designed to provide an enriching educational experience. The university campus features state-of-the-art lecture halls, advanced research labs, and a comprehensive library with vast academic resources. Students benefit from a dynamic learning environment, supported by experienced faculty members who are experts in their respective fields. The faculty at Chechen State University consists of highly qualified professors and researchers committed to providing world-class education. They offer personalized guidance, ensuring students receive the best academic and professional training. The university's commitment to innovation and research makes it an excellent choice for students seeking higher education in Russia.
Hi.
Hi,
What's your name?
Vardana.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm from UP and I'm feeling very good here. It's like a home, another home, and very beautiful college also, very beautiful consultancy, and we are feeling good.
Okay. You are in which university now?
Now Chechen State Medical University.
Okay. Good. Hi.
Hello, my name is Sanya. I'm from UP, Uttar Pradesh, and I'm studying now in Chechen State Medical University. I really had a good experience here. Everything is really good, all the consultant and everything. We are getting nice food over here.
Hi, I'm Richa. I'm from Goa, and right now we are at the hostel. We got admission in Chechen State University, and we made really good friends from different states. And Vinitsa, Sheila ma'am, all are helping us. And let's hope now.
हॅलो, माझं नाव तृप्ती आहे. मी महाराष्ट्रामधून आहे आणि आता आम्ही चेचन युनिव्हर्सिटीमध्ये आहे. प्लेस खूप छान आहे. आता हॉस्टेलच्या बाहेर वेट करत आहे आम्ही. शीला मॅम आणि विनीत सर सोबत एक्सपिरियन्स खूप छान होता आमचा. थँक्यू.
Hi, my name is Deekshita. I am from Yadgirigutta, Telangana.
My name is Sutla. I am from Andhra Pradesh, Srikakulam. College చాలా బాగుంది. ఇంకా ఫ్యాకల్టీ అయితే ఫ్రెండ్లీగా మూవ్ అవుతున్నారు. హాస్టల్ కూడా బాగుంది. Manisha.
Hello, my name is Manisha. I am from Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh.
Hi, my name is Sirisha. I am from Bhimavaram, Andhra Pradesh.
Mighty, I am from Andhra Pradesh, Kadapa district. ఇక్కడ చాలా ప్లెజెంట్గా ఉంది వాతావరణం కూడా. ఫ్యాకల్టీ కూడా మనతో బాగా ఫ్రెండ్లీగా ఉంటారు. యూనివర్సిటీ కూడా చాలా బాగుంది.
For accommodation, the university provides safe and comfortable hostel facilities. The hostels are equipped with essential amenities, including furnished rooms, high-speed internet, study areas, and recreational spaces to ensure a balanced student life. Security is a top priority, with 24/7 surveillance and on-campus medical assistance available for students' well-being. For free counseling, kindly contact New Life today and take the first step toward your medical education abroad.